how to change ChatGPT's voice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a different voice for ChatGPT, first within the browser on a desktop, and then I'll show you how to do it in the ChatGPT app on an iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so we can choose what language ChatGPT talks to us when either it's reading us different messages that it sends or in voice mode within the browser or app. So to change that voice within the browser on a desktop computer, Chromebook, MacBook, anything like that, go ahead and select your username in the bottom left and then choose settings. From there, all we need to do under general is find voice and select the little drop down, and then you could choose a different voice. And when you choose it, you can then select play to hear an example of it.
Hey there, I've got a real...
So they have tons of different voices.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you.
Once you've made your change, you don't have to save anything. You can close the settings. Now to change ChatGPT's voice within the app on an iPhone or Android phone, simply open up the app, select the two lines in the top left to open up the menu, and then select your username in the bottom left. Once it opens, scroll down until you get to voice mode, and then select the little menu next to voice. It'll then bring you here where we can swipe through the different voices, and when you stop on a voice, it'll give you a quick example of that voice so that you can hear what it sounds like. It'll also give you a description so you can kind of see what the mood is for that voice. Once you're done and you like the voice, select done on that voice, and you have now changed the voice for ChatGPT. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.